Greetings all. I thought I'd do a little bit of a video to show you the two pieces that I was working on as proof of concept for a collar with a base collar and then a secondary kind of a face is what I call it. So here is the first one that you all saw yesterday. It's a single piece. Now imagine it's a little bit bigger. Obviously I made it smaller. It's a single piece of leather riveted like this, one on each side of a loop, and this particular one is undone with a screwdriver. So I'm not going to do it, it's just a pain to do on camera. You can undo it, this pin comes out, you can pull it off. So it's kind of locked on there when you don't have a screwdriver handy. So you have this on. I didn't put any decoration on this. I could have put jewels or little spikes or whatnot. So let's say this one you wanted to wear for today. So obviously you'd be wearing it. You could just snap it and you just wrap it around your neck and you just funnel it through the D-ring, and there you've got it. You wanted to do it differently. Unfortunately, I didn't bother putting any snaps on the other ones. You could actually pull up the one that's a different color, aqua green, for a different purpose. You put that on there, or you could pull up the fuchsia one and put that one on there, or you could put the one that's black and has like spikes or something like that, maybe even some dangling chains on it, and put that one on there. Now, one of the problems I see with this, and it's really there are two main problems that I see with this particular design, is you got to wonder how long the snaps will last. That's a question. I don't know. And the second one is, and here we'll put it back together, is the weight of this front strap, or I should say the new strap. Will it pull it down? Meaning you've got your collar and you put it on, you're wearing it, and if you've got some things on the front here, will it start to drag it down and do this? I don't know. And I would imagine it probably would. So I'm pondering how to resolve that. I was wondering if maybe a snap in the front, but the problem is, as you see here, you actually would have a dot, the head of the snap. I don't know if you would really want that sitting right here in the front. I mean, theoretically, you could do ones to the sides and have like 4 snaps, but it's just a thought process. So that's the first one I did. I did that last night. And this one I worked on really quickly. And it's the same principle, but there's no snaps. So it's all using the bracelet pegs. So you've got your base collar. In this case, all I did is I just cut it, put the hole in, it's black, etc., and it's got the 3 pegs. Don't mind the spacing. I was quick and didn't measure right, and I just kind of threw it together. And then, okay, you want to use, and in this case, I did put a couple on there. All you'd have to do is pop that in there, wrap it around your neck, and pop that in there, and you now have this. Now, the difference here is, obviously, you've only got pegs. You don't have the snaps. So the question would be, after a certain amount of time, will these give out? That's a question. I don't know. Leather will stretch over time. So I put 2 sets of things in there. Only one is usually needed. I only did that for ease of use right now on camera. After normally when I'll do it, it'll only be one of these little slits. So, but the question is, will this do the same thing? I don't know, and I don't know if I have a solution to this at this point in time. So, but what do y'all think? I thought I'd get you a nice little video out so you can actually see those 2 little ideas that I was bouncing around in my head. So, all right, y'all, take care.